Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salad using broccoli. First, choose 2 to 3 fresh, firm broccoli heads. Wash them well under cool water to remove any dirt. Then, carefully cut the florets into small, bite-sized pieces, roughly 1 inch in size. Don't forget to peel and finely dice the stems. They add a wonderful crunch and extra nutrients to your salad. This preparation ensures a delicious base. Now, let's add some fantastic complementary ingredients to your broccoli. Stir in about 1 cup of crispy bacon bits for a savory kick. Next, introduce 1/2 cup of dried cranberries, which provide a lovely sweetness. For a bit of sharpness, add 1/4 cup of finely chopped red onion. Finally, mix in 1/2 cup of sunflower seeds to give your salad a delightful crunch and nutty flavor. A great dressing brings everything together. In a separate bowl, whisk 1 cup of creamy mayonnaise. Then, add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar for a pleasant tang. Stir in 1/4 cup of granulated sugar to perfectly balance the flavors. Finish by seasoning with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix until smooth and well combined, creating a rich and flavorful dressing. Now for the final step. Pour your delicious creamy dressing over the bowl of broccoli, bacon, cranberries, onion, and sunflower seeds. Gently toss all the ingredients together until every piece is evenly coated. For the best flavor, chill the salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Serve this refreshing broccoli salad as a perfect side dish or a light, satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.